Hello everyone. Today we will explore all the methods to acquire more Hourglasses in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So now let's dive in. So the first one is to complete daily missions. Engaging in daily missions is a reliable way to earn pack Hourglasses. By completing these tasks, you can receive up to 4 Hourglasses daily. So next is participate in solo battles. Solo battles offer pack Hourglasses as rewards. Building a strong deck and progressing through these battles can help you accumulate more Hourglasses. Next is level up your account. Gaining experience through online battles and opening packs contributes to the leveling up. Each level up rewards you with 12 pack Hourglasses. Next is utilize shop tickets. Shop tickets earned from other players liking your showcases can be exchanged for eyeglasses in the shop. Ensure your showcase is set to public and encourage your friends to like it. The fifth one is complete missions. Now completing beginner and advanced missions provides substantial rewards including eyeglasses. Focus on these missions to maximize your eyeglass collection. Next is participate in events. Keep an eye on in-game events as they often offer hourglasses as rewards. Engaging in these events can boost your hourglass count significantly. The next one is subscribe to premium missions. The game offers a $9.99 monthly subscription that provides a consistent source of pack and wonder hourglasses through premium missions. And by utilizing these methods, you will accumulate Hourglasses efficiently in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.